of you guys in the another video of TechInfos.in. Here I will tell you how you can update your Kali Linux to the latest distribution or latest build 2019.4. And in this video you will be going to get full installation guide of how to update your Kali Linux to the latest build, and you can also see that I have installed Windows 10 theme. As you can see, the icons are not of Kali but the Windows 10 icons I am using right now in my Kali Linux. So we will be discussing also that how you can enable Windows 10 theme on Kali Linux. Actually, it is the official theme which is scripted by Robot from Kali Linux organization. Before further go ahead, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Let's back to the video. Follow me to update your Kali Linux system. What you have to do is just follow the screen or the WordPad document or LeafPad document or my voice. So first of all, you have to update your system by running apt update upgrade or distribution upgrade command. Command will be in the description as well as on the screen you can see here. You just need to copy paste, or if you can see what command I am scripting on my terminal, so you can do it by watching the videos also or by copying description. After pasting the command of updating, hit the enter and wait while your full system updates are downloading and be installing. After installing, you can check your version or OS release. To run this command, grep version /etc/os -release and hit the enter button. You will get your version ID or version OS 2019.4, or you can see some of optional details of your latest Kali Linux version, like version of your kernel, detail of your Kali Linux kernel version. So you can check those details also by running these optional commands, which is uname -v and uname -r.
And note one thing also, that after running the update command, the update will be successfully installed, but the update will be come into effect only after you will reboot the system. You can manually reboot the system by switching off or clicking on the power off icon, or you can also write the reboot command on your Kali Linux terminal. After rebooting, your all the downloaded or installed updates will be come into effect. Now let's come to another topic of this video, that how to enable Windows 10 theme. So what you can do, you just need to install Xcef in Kali Linux. Xcef is basically scripted by Robert, a developer from kali.org. You just need to paste the command apt-y install kali-desktop-xfce. After running this command, it will ask you for further options like select your package configuration. So you need to select first option GDM, whatever will become there. You can also select light if you want. I have selected GDM. Then it will again ask you yes, no. Then you should select yes. For yes, you have to type Y and hit the enter. That's it. And give a reboot again, and then check the theme. To check the theme, follow me. Go in the dock menu, type to search tweaks, TWEKS. Here the terminal of window of tweak will be open. In the appearance, applications, select Windows theme. In the cursor, select Windows 10 will be in the bottom. Select all the options where Windows 10 are coming to enable it. Here you can also see the status bar is coming transparent, and come to extension in the Windows list. Enable it and do the settings as I have done. Enable all the options as I have done in this video. After doing this, cut and give a report. After all those features that I have done and shown in this video to enable Windows 10 theme, you just need to enable those options. That's it. Now you will be able to use Windows 10 theme in Kali Linux latest build 2019.4. So guys, hope you liked this video and enjoyed it a lot. So guys, please appreciate us and give us a like by hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Be with us. See you in the next video.